Welcome back to Quiz Freak, where I'm in control. Brains in the lead. In second place, Simon. Beast Boy has -1. And now it's time for the lightning round, where the freak in last place gets zapped with real lightning. How about galactic geography for 1,000? Of the 5 planets in the Upsilon Andromeda system, which one is farthest from the primary star?
Mars? I'll take Tara's fifth stuff for $1 million. Super triple patty bacon extra cheese pizza burger. Next question. Super jump ninja force. Iguanas. Zorga berries. 1 pound new food, 1 cup rice, 2 cups water, boil with soy sauce and serve.
I should have known. The only thing worse for BB's brain than lightning? Actual thinking.